40. It feels like the entire day has gone by.
So this is how the world ends.
Oh, I have to pee.
Shut up. I know. I'm spreading it around like AIDS. Okay, never mind. Death, destruction.
Whoa, that's new.
Dude, look at that shit.
Holy shit, are we going down there?
I know,
That looks just as bad as the rape trail.
That's worse than the death.
I know, but we have to. This is what adventure's all about.
Yeah, that's too much.
Well, that's why I'm the expeditioner. I go first, so I die first. And I die in a blaze of icy death.
Oh shit. Roadblock.
No, there's no such thing as a... Fucking hell! What the fuck was that? Come on, through here.
This is like...
South Park reference, thank you very much.
Thank you, man.
You're welcome, friend.
I pretty got raped. What the hell is that?
Nice branches.
It was a bottle of water. Fuck.
Oh, really? I'm sorry. I thought you... The trees got raped
Look at that.
in the night.
Look at the park.
Oh my god.
Oh.
I can hear sirens.
Oh Jesus, no. I wonder what the pond looks like.
Oh yeah, aren't we eating?
I don't know.
I don't have my wallet. Fuck me.
I'll pay for you as a guest if you want.
I'm cold.
Oh, that'd be hot.
Yeah?
Are people eating in there?
I can't see.
There's a cop.
Good. Where's Jeff?
He's dead. JK.
Where?
Some creatures survived. There was some down there.
Oh. It's a river.
The river.
You know, look at that knot right there. Holy shit. Holy shit.
Ryan, smile.
Ow. Sliver. What the fuck could have done this? Mother Nature's... Holy shit! Hey! You! Mr. Jeep! You're so lucky! Few more feet, friend.
Ryan, did you get off of that? What the?
Shit.
What the shit? Something like just fell right behind me.
What? Maybe we'll find one that says B, and then one that says C, and it'll be like a trail that finally leads to one that says Z.
And then we'll be like, wow, we've been walking for like...
Fuck, why is there so much shit dropping on me? Oh, fucking God. Oh.
Well, okay, so that one all the way across. Look, it says all the way up to the roof.
Holy shit. Holy shit.
It's a bridge to the outside. I haven't been to this part, I can't. Me neither.
My hand is numb.
These places like kick ass. This is like LLC.
This is LLLC. This is Living Learning Liking Center.
No.
Yeah.
Hey, Ryan, all that too.
It's like attached to a rope on top of it. But like, your windshield's fine now. It's supposed to send cars.
Don't run, they'll chase you, you dummy.
I'm really glad it wasn't right here.
Shit, I like this hill. Holy fuck, look at that tree. Okay, how do I maneuver this? Fuck. Yeah, well, I just broke it. Holy shit.
Okay, so what's
Fucking A, that thing's going down. Oh. We should get back inside.
Not yet.
Not yet?
Well, look at that.
Oh! Holy crap!
You didn't get that, did you?
I'm getting, oh shoot. I'm getting the reaction, that's the key shit.
The tree's been
That just fell. This is fresh meat. This is a fresh kill by Mother Nature.
Damn. Just laid down and died.
I don't trust any of these trees anymore.
That's kind of rough.
Alright. Okay.
It made it, man. I'm from DC, so I ain't never seen nothing like this.
Dude, this is crazy. We were back here earlier and shit was falling everywhere. Oh shit. Speak of the devil.
Speak of the devil, it's Caitlin.
Where?
I'm just kidding. She is the devil. There's him right next to Newfoundland. The poor fence. Get close up with the fence.
Yeah, where's the fence? Oh, here it is. Shit, I don't like that branch right there. That fence